Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into the Google account you want to use, because cloud storage ties to that identity. Once signed in, open Google Photos and go straight to Settings Backup and Sync. Turn it on and pick the upload quality. Original preserves full resolution. Storage Saver reduces size to save space. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi or enable mobile uploads intentionally. This gets your device sending photos to the cloud immediately, so you can manage them centrally. Once backup is active, choose which folders to include. Go to Device Folders and toggle Camera, Screenshots, and App folders individually so only desired photos upload. Then organize by creating albums and using face grouping to speed retrieval. This reduces clutter and lowers accidental root-loads. If you have many duplicates or large videos, remove or compress them before upload so storage lasts longer. Keep an eye on storage metrics in your Google account. If you're approaching capacity to finish, set up sharing via shared libraries or links so you can collaborate without creating duplicates. Then run free up space from the Photos app to remove device copies that are already in the cloud. This preserves phone storage. Make sure automatic deletion settings match your expectations. If uploads or access fail, check app permissions for storage and background data, confirm network connectivity, and verify your Google storage quota. If problems persist, sign out and back in to reset syncing.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.